at initial and final positions. Where do they normally occur? Initial and final position. Let's take some examples of consonant clusters. Play. Repeat the word. Again. Again. Play. The PL there is a consonant cluster and is occurring at the initial position. Let's take another example. Risk. Say risk. Risk. The S and the K is an example of what? Consonant cluster. It's appearing where? At the final position. Did you get that? Did you get that? Okay, so let's take the types of consonant clusters. Types of consonant clusters. We have 2 consonant clusters, 3 consonant clusters, and 4 consonant clusters. Can you mention them?